How to add and delete card in Starbucks app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Starbucks application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to add or delete card in Starbucks, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and you will be led to the menu of Starbucks. Here, tap on the payment methods option. You will further see the option for add credit or debit card option. Tap on that. In the pop-up that appears, name the card and tap on the continue button. In the interface that you will further be led to, you will be required to enter your card details. So, go ahead and enter your card number, valid date, and security code and tap on the Save Card button, and with this, your card will be saved, and as soon as you have saved the card, go back to the Payments Method tab and you will see the option for deleting your card right beside the card you added. So, this is how you can add or delete card in Starbucks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.